My dear, good morning friends and madams. I am PJ Dheeraj from Yellow team. These are my team members Bhargavi, Aparna, Pujita, Hariprasad and Raghava. Today we go to perform an activity which based on commanding, requesting and instructing. Now actually we all affected from the cyclone called Hudud. In that our Chief Minister asked our Prime Minister to allow some amount in order to construct everything once again, and that all these works has done by all MLAs and MPs that which was commanded by our Chief Minister. Now we will do that. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dheeraj.
Thank you.
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir. Sir, actually, I think you are already here that our district was destroyed completely, sir. Even I think I cannot say that now the situation of our district is that everyone used to think that one time it is at once upon a time there will be, but no one, nothing is there, sir.
I also heard that. I am very sad about that matter. I was very much worried about the people who are in your district. So don't worry, I will give 100% support for your district.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I will sanction you 1,000 crores for your welfare of your people.
Thank you, sir.
But put them into an account, and I will check that whether the amount is useful or not.
Sure, sir. Every 1 rupee account I will show you.
Okay.
But I want some support from you, sir. I will definitely make the Vizag into previous position.
Okay. And request your believers to help people.
Sure, sir. Now tomorrow I will meet with them and I will sure I will do all the work.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now the Chief Minister will be meeting with all MLAs and MPs. Okay, thank you for coming. Respected all you, I will say your names. Okay, actually you all well know that our district was affected. So I hope you should all must do hard work. Yesterday when our Prime Minister came to here, all people saw him with great enthusiasm. He said personally with me that everyone is laughing at me. But because they laughed was that they were not affected. They only believe us that they are confident on government. So it's our responsibility to make them happy. Okay?
Sir. Sir, this cyclone, many current poles are destroyed.
Yes.
So please restore the poles. Current workers are not sufficient to work.
Okay. No need to worry. I just talked with Orissa Chief Minister. He may, because their workers are much efficient, I will ask them to send some workers. But you should use them very efficiently. Every work, but okay, I will whatever you want, I will give you. But within 2 days, the result should be come. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Still anyone?
Sir, pollution also become so much problem as more trees were cut off.
Okay. Pollution, you are saying about pollution. Let them complete all this. First, after current poles, after taking all the waste materials, after coming communication problem, communication also will be rectified. Then just adopt a plan. We can first start a campaign so that maybe completely we cannot destroy, cannot reduce the pollution, but somewhat we can try. Again, all the trees will be, even though it takes some time, just try to go to Singapore and I just come bring some powder that which can plants may grow fastly. Okay, I will take action on that also. Thank you.
So beside all this problem, food also is a lack of food is also a major
It's
problem.
not sufficient for all.
Yeah.
Okay,
People are very
actually-
sick with this problem, so we need some ultimate solution for this problem, sir.
Okay. Actually, yesterday from Vijayawada district collector called me, sir. We definitely give you funds called food materials or vegetables. He just called me. But every load which come with food materials should be given to all. No, that food material should not be more, should not be less. Equally should be distributed to all. Okay?
Surely, sir.
Use the fund in correct way. Should not waste the materials. Okay? Because because the food materials are in scarcity, you should not waste them. Sure, I will give you food materials, how much you want. Okay?
Okay, sir. Another problem is that transportation is also becoming very difficulty due to trees are fallen. Traffic is also becoming problem.
Okay.
What we are
In
going
your
to
locality, there are some youth because actually anyone with this youth that you can see when I show at that time some youth you just meet them, not saying that we are youth at that time. Just ask them to help in cleaning. Don't need to ask all the roads to clean. Just ask them to clean their surroundings, so that if everyone will do that, everyone will be everything. It means completely the road will be clean. Okay, so that we can do all this. Okay, na? The works what I had to given, you should do that in the right manner. Okay, so that we can see our previous Vizag or Vijayanagaram in same position. Okay, you should not waste the fund or should not waste the materials, and the what amount I am giving you should show me with even 1 rupee account you should show me. Okay. The next our Prime Minister sir told us that he will give me extra amount if sufficient, but use all the amount in the right manner. Okay, thank you.